Alright. Let me put this camera.
Go over to the other side. You got room to run out of there if you need to.
Maybe. Yeah, I got this tree behind me.
Perfect.
Not bad, huh?
Knowledge of what the hell we're going to do with this other one. I think you're right. I have to take the fence down from there over to that post.
That'd be a good one. Take that out. Lined it up straight along. This would have totally hit that fence right here. Yeah, because I don't think it'd be that hard. We gotta get this leaner. Look at that.
There's going to be a bunch of lumber for the fireplace.
Yeah, huh?
I'm probably going to have to come out and get that dead one. Because I'm getting low on firewood.
Alright.
Yeah. But I'm not going to do it until I need to.
We got tons of wood all over the place too. Nice.
Yeah, dead wood everywhere. When we pulled all that out over on the other side of Tabitha's driveway.
Uh-huh.